Today I'm going to show you how to change air filter on Toyota Tacoma 2006 and 2015. Let's open the hood. So, let's see. Let's get some light in here. So what you want to do is your air box filter is right here. You can either remove the screw to pull it out, this first, and then the easiest way, or you can just do it like this. I'll show you in a minute. So pop this, pop this. It's a little bit hard to take it off like this when you don't take this off, so let's take this off. Kind of pull it towards you. Just like that, pop it. And there you go. There's your air filter. Let's set the light here. And to put it back, mine's kind of dirty. Sure, shove it this way, like this. Make sure it's all the way in. When you put it in, put this side first in. Be careful of these. Then make sure it's all the way in. Here too, make sure it's all flat, flash. And that's how you change the air filter.